I'm Kathy Vick. I'm the librarian at Echo Lake Elementary School. The library is a classroom to over 500 students. Today we are visiting with Mrs. Hundley, a wonderful fourth grade teacher, and her super fourth grade students. So we are going to be reviewing some information about planets, and then we're going to be making movies using a green screen app. All right, boys and girls, you're logged into Nearpod. So you've been watching the Earth turn, and let's show what you know this morning. All right, our solar system. Who would like to name the planets for Mrs. Hundley and I? Avery. Avery back here.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Excellent. All right, this next question that you need to write down is thinking about the order of the planets. You've been discussing how to remember that order. Will you write down the first letters of each of the words in the sentence? Let's see who's doing that.
Is there anyone that can raise their hand and tell us the sentence that we learned to help us remember that? Drew.
My very educated mother just served us nachos.
Very good.
Very good.
Let's see who can remember that, the order of the planets. And then hit send.
And then
Good
hit
job.
send, and you're going to send it to Miss Hundley and I. We'll get it up on our screen and can see it.
Great job.
All right. Fabulous. All right. You're sending your work to us so we can check it. Looks like everybody's getting it correctly. Avery, you want to send it?
I did.
Okay. You don't have great up on your screen.
It went back.
Okay.
I clicked edit into my app.
That's okay. All right, looks great. All right, so let's try this next one. Everybody did a really good job. Should we review the letters? Let's do that real quick.
Okay. Let's go ahead and, Leo, go ahead and tell us what you had.
M E
My very
N V E
It's up.
M
mm-hmm.
J S nachos. I mean
UN, right?
Very good.
Thanks,
Awesome.
Leo. All right, let's take a look up here. Next question.
We are just flipped your screen and to look at these
Ooh, look.
planets. Who can tell Miss Hundley what's showing on your screen?
The terrestrial planets.
The terrestrial planets.
Good job.
All right.
What does that mean, Claire, terrestrial planets? Because we've been talking about the inner planets, but what does that mean, terrestrial?
Rock.
Very good. Planets made of rock.
Awesome.
Great job.
Awesome. All right, and then these are the planets.
Outer planets, what are they made of, Cecilia? Gas planets. Good job.
All right. So look at your screen now. You have the directions to circle the rock planets or terrestrial planets with a circle, and then take the gas planets and mark them with a square.
So group them together.
Do
okay?
one big group
One
for
big
circle.
circle. Very good. So you just take your draw tool. Yes, very good.
Find your draw
And I
tool
would
at the
draw them
bottom.
all together. So group all
Good.
of your terrestrial planets together because they're
Go
next
ahead and
door
draw.
to each other, right? Okay, so keep going. Okay,
Awesome.
stop. Yeah, come on.
Awesome. First one is
Good job.
circle.
Okay, that's your, now that should have been
Okay,
square
one whole
because
big
they are gas planets, right?
There you
And
go.
these
Good
are your
job.
terrestrial planets.
Uh-huh. And then this one, what did we say? Draw with a. Excellent.
There you go. But remember, honey, it's got to be a circle and then a square. You already did
Miss Hundley, you have
yours.
some smart boys and girls in this class. Awesome.
I really do.
Make sure you send it.
Give me a square around your gas planets, and then you can hit send, okay? Good job, Cecilia.
Click send.
Look at this team. Excellent. Good job, Leo. Good. Go ahead and answer?
Super. All right.
Awesome.
I'm going to ask that you take your computer screen. That was our warm-up to kind of think about planets. If you'll take your computer screen and close it down for me. And then let's turn our attention to our green screen. We've made one movie this year. Can somebody tell me what's happening with this green screen? What do you remember? Avery?
We used this app to have a background on it, and we made scripts to have it, and we informed people about what we were doing.
Yeah, and what was the topic of our green screen movie before this one? What was our topic?
Regions.
The Virginia regions. We traveled to the different regions of Virginia. So today we are going to be traveling to, where everybody? Up into space, that's right. And you've done research. We're going to take that, you've taken that research and you've made scripts, and you are going to be reporters from space. So we have a microphone that you can use as a prop. Now, when we looked at our movies, Miss Hundley and I looked at them, and I think she chatted with you for a few minutes, but today, every time you do something, you can always improve it. So today, our focus is improving our presentation. Okay? So look up here. One of the things I noticed when I watched your movies is people were excited and they were swaying. Now, is that hard for you to watch someone doing this? It is. So what you want to do is you want to try to practice holding your feet still. Also, if you're excited, sometimes your body is moving, so try to tuck your elbows and just hold still, and try to also make eye contact. Look at your speakers. If you're not looking at them, why would they want to look at you? So look at your speaker, and in this case, it's going to be the camera, and smile. Have fun. If you're not having fun, your audience isn't having fun. All right? So the other thing that I want you to think about is this pace. How do you talk? Sometimes we get really excited and we talk really fast. We say the planet, la, 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 and it makes it, what are that person saying? The opposite is going to slow. And then no one wants to listen. So when you stand today, think about these things. Look at the camera, smile, speak in your normal pace, and if you have to stop and breathe, that's a good thing. Stop and breathe. 3 seconds to you seems long, but it's really quick to your audience. So just talk normally, tuck your elbows, smile, and have fun. All right, so take a second right now and think about one of those things. What are you going to concentrate on today? How can you improve your presentation skills? So think about it, and then we're going to ask somebody. So let's see, Ms. Hundley, who should we ask about what they could improve? Because all of us can improve.
Let's see. How about Kate?
Sometimes I think we should try to memorize our lines more, so then we don't fumble and don't say a lot.
Very
Okay,
good. So
good.
if you don't have your lines memorized though, just use your normal pace. Don't worry about running through them quickly. Anybody else have another one?
So you try to look at the camera, but you also try to look at the script at the same time, so then it doesn't look like that you're looking at something else.
Yeah, very good. And the script is going to be right beside the camera, so it's okay to look at the script and then speak to the camera. Awesome. Let me see those smiles. That's a big one. If you're not smiling, your audience isn't smiling, so make sure you're smiling. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to get up in our groups, and we have our scripts ready, we have our jobs ready, and we have our iPads ready. So we're going to have one group here in front of this green screen. Another is going to be at the other green screen. So 2 groups are being filmed. What do we need to think about with our voice level? Leah?
You could whisper, but not scream.
Yeah, if you're practicing, you're whispering. If you're over here, you're using a nice, loud, clear voice. Okay, so groups that are practicing, practice, but do it in a quiet way so your voice doesn't end up on someone else's video. All right, any questions? Let's have fun. Think about one of those things and try. Are you a swayer? Are you a looking down person? Look up and smile. Try it. All right, so remember we have to go into the green screen app.
No, let's just stick to it.
Good. All right, and then we're going to go, sorry. We're going to do new. And you're going to hold the bottom. Nope, nope. Nope. There's your, what is y'all's topic? Earth?
Earth, yes.
And nope, click use. All right, now go up to camera. All right, and reverse it.
So get it up on the screen.
All right, so now look, remember, we see that, so hold, you got to go up.
You're supposed to be close to
So, was there anything else?
Got it? Let's see.
In order for it to work. So let's see, what are you seeing?
Oh, I like the way Mackenzie's smiling and Avery's smiling. No, she can see it. You're good. All right, here we go. So, who's going to say 3, 2, 1, action? It's okay.
Ryan.
Okay, Ryan. And we got to count down. Remember, let's get Avery's all over her head. Okay, move up just a little bit.
3,
4, 3.
2, 1, action. Hello everybody, I am Scientist Walker.
And I'm Scientist Mayfield, and we are here at Echo Lake.
We are planet Earth, and this planet is out of this world. Speaking of that, we are the third planet from the sun.
Our planet is made out of iron, mantle, and crust.
Fun fact, we are the only planet that shows life on this planet, and we live on this planet.
It takes 365 days to orbit around the sun. That's 1 year.
Our weather here is windy, cold. Our weather is windy and cold.
Our planet is mostly blue because it's mostly water. We also have 1 moon and 1 sun.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.
Awesome. All right, let's
I
say.
messed up.
You did. Let's look. Let's watch it. Let it save. Don't do anything yet. Let it do its thing. Yeah.
Speaking of that, we are the third planet from the sun.
Our planet is made out of iron, mantle, and crust.
Fun fact, we are the only planet that shows life on this planet, and we live on this planet.
It takes 365 days to orbit around the sun. That's 1 year.
Our weather here is
Hi everyone, if you like the solar system, well then check out Venus.
It's almost the hottest planet.
And it's red like lava when you get up close.
And the core is made out of iron and nickel.
And it's hard as rock.
Also because it's made of rock.
But here's the strange part about it. It has no moons.
Venus and Earth are closer together than any 2 other planets.
Venus is the brightest at night. And it's out of this world.
And we're out of sight.
Very good.
I messed up because I did that.
You were fine. You did a great job. Come over and let's take a look. So do you want to go ahead and preview your video?
Hi everyone, if you like the solar system, well then check out Venus.
It's almost the hottest planet.
And it's red like lava when you get up close.
That look good, Lucas? All right. So press the red button, sweetie. Press it again. 5. Say it with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Action.
Hello, our planet is Mars. I am astronomer Joel. And I am astronomer Joshua. It takes 687 days in a year on Mars. It takes 8 months to get to Mars. It takes 24 hours and 37 minutes in a day. There is a north and south pole on Mars. This is Mars. There are volcanoes on Mars. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun, and that's our planet Mars.
All right. 5. Count with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Action.
Hi, we're the Earth, Sun, and Moon. I'm is Trent.
And I'm Ms. Vickles.
Did you know the sun is a star and the moon is a satellite?
The sun is hot, the earth is cool, and the moon has no weather.
Did you know the sun has burning gases?
Did you know the moon phases have waxing and waning?
That's our presentation. Rock on.
Awesome. That was
Good
great.
job.
All right, save to camera roll and let's watch. I like the smiles that you had going on
you
and
did a really good job
enthusiasm.
looking into the camera too.
I
Excellent.
know. All right, so when Peyton is going to count down and then say action. So Peyton, press the red button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Say action.
Hello, my name is scientist Claire Morgan.
And I'm Sean Merhack.
We are
Mercury.
Mercury is the closest planet to the sun.
It is made out of rock.
Mercury has no moons.
Lots of people think that Mercury is orange, but it's actually gray.
Mercury is hot during the day and it's cold at night.
Mercury looks like a rocky ball covered with craters, and the biggest crater on Mercury is Calorus Basin.
Mercury is the smallest planet and the sun rises 2 times on one day.
It takes 88 Earth days for 1 year on Mercury and 59 Earth days for 1 day on Mercury.
Hope you like our show on Mercury.
Thanks for traveling to space with us today.
Go Dolphins!